everybody! Today we are talking thrift flips, we are talking upcycles, we are talking Valentines. So, as you may have remembered from last week, if you haven't watched it already, go back and click it. I bought all of this fabric and I'm going to make something amazing out of it. By the way, I'm wearing my Heyday dungarees today because they look super cute and I love them. So we have 2 duvet covers and 1 pair of curtains. I'm thrift flipping all of this up on its head. I have got this pattern. This one's going to be a blouse, I think. I've got this pattern, which is slightly washed out. These are the duvet covers. I think I'm going to do a dress out of this. And then I've got a slightly darker one and a slightly sturdier one as well, but the same pattern. And then I've got this one as well. I don't know what to do with this one yet. We'll talk through the options. So I am hoping that with this fabric, so these used to be a pair of curtains. I'm really hoping that I have enough fabric that I can do the new look 6289 trousers, which are on my Make 9 list. I've got the pattern already, it's uncut, so that's going to be perfect. It's just whether I've got enough fabric. So you'd think that as long as they're long enough, oh, I think they'll be fine. What length is that? They're definitely longer than my legs, that's for sure. So I think I will have enough fabric in these to be able to make those trousers, so that'll be really exciting. I'm looking forward to that. And then with these 2 fabrics, I think I will make the pattern Emporium Field of Dreams dress. Now I've made one before. No, I've made a couple before. Not that I know where they are. They must be hiding in my summer stash somewhere. I'll pop a picture here to show you what it looks like. So it's got some tiers to it and I thought I could use, oh wait, not you, you can't come along. I thought I could use these 2 as the tiers to the fabric, to the skirt rather. It's this one that I'm just not sure about. I'm gonna see if I've got enough of this fabric to make the entire dress. And if I don't, then I will use this one as one of the tiers of fabric. Because, right, why I'm being hesitant about it is that it's white and it's not even proper white. It's like a creamy white and it's, it makes it a bit more fun for sure, but it will make it a bit childish, won't it? So I don't really want to do the childishness. I was looking at maybe doing a dress for the girls with it, but actually I haven't got any dress patterns that I like at the moment, and they've grown loads lately, and it means that dresses and maybe a pair of dungarees. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see at the end of the video if we've got enough of this, and then I might whip something else up as well. So as far as this fabric goes, I'm going to use this to make the M8180 sewing pattern, which I haven't actually got yet. So we're going to hop over to Hobbycraft now and go and see if we can pick it up. If you're new here, my name is Philly and I would absolutely love it if you could click the subscribe, click the like, or maybe even share one of my videos. Mwah, I love you. Guess where I am? They have the most awesome Easter stuff out already. I love it. Look. Pretty sure I've got some of this in my Etsy basket. Not, yeah, I think it is this print. Oh, interesting. Look, I wanted to sew up some of these. I don't know, at £3 it might just be cheaper to buy them, mightn't it? It's heaving in here today. Like, little one is looking for some polymer clay. Oh, should we do an outfit check? What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Do you know? Okay. Outfit check. She's wearing a crocheted cardigan, granny square crocheted cardigan, and a knitted jumper dress that was made by Dad. Lucky her. Oh, that one's pretty. Is there? Yep. Cute. Right, if they haven't got this sewing pattern, I'm going to have a little cry. How much, what is the glue guns? Or glue sticks, sorry. It's the McCalls M8180. It's a blouse and it's got a big collar on it. Okay, but I might need your help to go through all the boxes. Why have a dog and bark yourself? Right, I managed to find the pattern I needed and I got £5 off because I had a voucher. Absolutely fantastic. I have cut out the Field of Dreams dress and I've cut out the trousers. Obviously, haven't cut this out yet. I'm going to wait to do that tomorrow. So I'm going to get sewing now. I'm going to start on the dress first. Okay, so we are on day 2 and I have already made my dress and I've already made my trousers. So let's go have a look. So the dress I am happy with. The trousers, let's see. Okay, I'm in love. How gorgeous is this? And to top it off, oh, look look at those bad boys. Are they not the most? I can't get a good enough shot of them. My most beautiful boots in the entire world ever. This is the Pattern Emporium Field of Dreams dress. It is a double tiered one because I didn't want to use the other fabric for the third tier. What do we think? Not too shabby for an old duvet cover, right? Ta-da! I particularly love the neckline, although I've pulled it out a tiny bit, which is so frustrating. But other than that, what do we think? That's someone texting me telling me how gorgeous I am. Okay, I am really underwhelmed with these. The fit, lovely. The pattern itself, lovely. In this fabric, pyjama bottoms. They just look like pyjama bottoms. What do we think? Let me give you a low down look. So, yeah, I think they're stiff. They are, the pattern itself, like the colour, looks like pyjama bottoms. I was going for like really bright and funky, and I've just come away with bedtime. So, don't get me wrong, I will definitely make these again. Definitely. Like, I have the pattern on standby, I want to make them again. I just won't be making them in a sturdy fabric. I'm going to make them in something a lot looser. So, now that I've seen the trousers that look like pyjama bottoms, I'm now really hesitant to make this in this fabric. Is it just going to look like a pyjama top? Is it going to, I don't know, maybe I'm going to have the best dressed pyjamas in the whole of Devon. Who knows? Right, let's get to it and we'll see how we go. I particularly love the flounces. They're really cute. The collar is huge. Like, it's wider than my shoulders. That's how big it is. Obviously I haven't done the buttons yet because Amazon. So I've just pinned it together. But actually, the more I wear it, the more I like it. Ta-da! What do we think? So, out of all my 3 makes, which one do you like best? I think I like the dress best, but I haven't put the buttons on the top yet, so I'll see. Once I've got the buttons on the top, then I might change my mind completely and I might much prefer the top instead of the dress. But considering that that entire bundle of thrifted fabrics was 8, maybe 9 quid, and I managed to make 3 different garments out of it, I'm so, so happy. I've even got some offcuts which I'm going to try and do something with. Like, I've got a whole bundle, so it'd be a real waste just to, you know, shove them in the scrap drawer. So I might try and use them for some Valentine's crafts or something, so we'll have to see. So in case you hadn't noticed, that is 2 of my make 9s done. We did the wide leg trousers and we did the M8 180. I had to think then. I had to think, like, wait, what have I just made? What have I just spent my entire weekend doing? So 2 of my make 9s completed. Hooray! As ever, everybody, thank you so much for watching me. I really hope you enjoyed seeing some of the sewing. I hope that it gave you some inspiration on to do some upcycling and maybe just to get cracking on that Sew 9 list. Thanks so much, everyone. See you next week. Bye. Also breaking my camera by shoving it in places it shouldn't be. That came out wrong. Not like that. Get your minds out the gutters. This light is gorgeous. So invested in this light. L is for the way you look at me.